Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. Now we are the discussion topic for the Ordinal Logistic Regression in OriginPro. So what is the logistic regression in OriginPro? The logistic regression is a widely used statistical method for modeling binary, multinomial and ordinal outcomes. In biological science, those techniques are essential for analyzing data that involves the categorical response variable from disease diagnosis to ecological studies. The logistic regressions help interpret relationship between the predictor and outcomes, providing valuable insights into biological phenomena. We will explore the three types of logistic regression in the model: the binary, multinomial and ordinal. The binary and multinomial, that video already published in our channel. That video link mentioned to this video description box. And now we are the discussion for the ordinal logistic regression in OriginPro. Their application is biological research. The ordinal logistic regressions OLR is a statistical technique used when the dependent variable is ordinal. The meaning it has categories which a meaningful order, but the intervals between the categories are not necessarily equal. OLR models the relationship between one or more independent variable predictors and an ordinal outcomes variable. The key concept of the ordinal logistic regression in OriginPro: ordinal dependent variable. Examples include the blood pressure response. Example for the order wise normal, prehypertension and hypertensions. The independent variables for the ordinal logistic regressions, those can be continuous, categorical or mix of both values. Let's open the OriginPro software. Okay, the data already entered in the OriginPro workspace. First one for the patient ID, we take for the total 30 patient for the 1 to 30 value, and the second one for the independent variable, the age and gender. So the age for the different age people we collected, and the gender for the F is a female, M is a male, and the blood pressure is a dependent variable. So we order wise collect the data. First one for the normal and prehypertension and hypertension. So this data used for the analyzing ordinal logistic regression in OriginPro. So before the installed the tool for the logistic regression OriginPro in app installed for the OriginPro software. So how to install this logistic regression app? Go to the browser. So I open our Blacker page, that link mentioned to this video description box. Scroll down the page and click to the link for the download logistic regression app for Origin. So click to the app and open the new tab for the OriginPro website. First the login the site, it is free. Then click to the download the button for the logistic regression and installation for the drag and drop into the OriginPro workspace, and icon will appear in the app gallery. So I already installed the app, so the icon will appear in the app gallery. So click to the logistic regression app. The three type of the analysis: first one the binary and logistic, and last one for the ordinal. So the binary and the multinomial, the video already published. So the now analyzed for the ordinal logistic regressions. Click to the ordinal logistic regression. Open the new tab for the ordinal logistic regressions. So the recalculator select for the manual, and the dependent variable selected for the blood pressure. So select for the blood pressure, and the independent variable continuous to variable for selected in the age. Then categorical variable select for the general. Okay, the reference factor level selected for the F, and the next one tab for the setting. The setting the automatically selected for the model setting is a main effect selected, and the quantities for the select the all the checkbox in the analysis. Fit parameter, fit statistics also selected the all the checkbox, and the predict values also select for the checkbox. Then click to the OK button. Now analyzed for the ordinal logistic regression in OriginPro. The first one the table for the parameters. So the concern the blood pressure the normal, and concern blood pressure for the pre-hypertension. The coefficients value and standard error, wild test, degrees of freedom, t-test, and the significance, and 95% of LCL and the 95% of UCL, the value present in the parameter for the first table. So the next one table for the statistics, then present for the degrees of freedom, likelihood, AIC, BAC, and the value present in the second one table for the statistics. So the third one for the model test, the likelihood ratio test, high square, degrees of freedom, and the significance value. At the level of 0.05, all the score are the 0. Then next one table for the model test, equal slope test. So minus to log likelihood, high square test, degrees of freedom, and high square significance value for also present in the equal slope tests. So the next one for the covariance matrix test and the correlation matrix test, the table present for the last two table. Then the full interpretations for the parameter statistics model test and the covariance matrix and correlation matrix I will upload for the next video. That video link mentioned to the this video description box. If any doubt for the analyzing the ordinal logistic regression in OriginPro, leave me the comments in the comment box. I will reply to within the 24 hours. If you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.